Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube upside down, and yeah, it's going to be pretty cool, and it's the 3x3. I'm getting better. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Where's the centerpiece? Where is it? Where is it, the center? Okay. It was right here the entire time. I'm not going to talk much because all my blood is coming to my head and this is pretty hard to do. So I better do this quick. I cannot talk. If I get a bloody nose while doing this, that's just a warning. I might get a bloody nose, but I cannot control that. I'm hanging upside down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. Just please, come on. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure I can do this. If you guys have any more ideas for me doing Rubik's Cube challenges, please comment it. Okay. Okay. It's solved. Oh. It's solved. Yeah.